In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted folder from Google Drive. We all know how nerve-wracking it can be to accidentally delete something important. But don't worry, Google Drive offers a way to recover your files easily. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to head over to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, log in with your Google account if you haven't already. It's like stepping into your digital filing cabinet where everything is stored neatly. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll find a list of options including one labeled Trash. This is where Google Drive temporarily stores deleted items for a period of time before they are permanently removed. Click on the Trash option to proceed. Inside the trash folder, you'll see a list of files and folders that you've deleted. Now carefully scan through this list to locate the specific folder you want to restore. If you have a lot of items here, it might take a moment to find the one you're looking for, so take your time. Remember, checking the contents can save you from restoring something you didn't intend to. After locating the folder you wish to restore, click to select it. Once selected, you will notice that a range of icons appear at the top of the window. Among these, keep an eye out for the one that looks like a circular arrow, usually representing restore in numerous applications. This icon signifies that the files or folders will be returned to their original place before deletion. Click on this restore icon. Almost like magic, but very much technological, Google Drive will then take this folder out of the trash and send it back to its original location in your drive. You might want to double check your files in their known places to ensure everything is as you expect it to be. This process works effectively for any item stored in the trash and is recoverable within the time frame defined by Google, which is typically 30 days from deletion. Therefore, it is advisable to act promptly when you realize you need to retrieve a deleted item. If you're unsure about the time frame, it's always good to restore files as soon as you can to avoid losing them permanently. So there you have it, a straightforward method to rescue precious data that you thought was lost. This feature is extremely handy for recovering essential documents, work files, or treasured photos. Make sure to use it wisely and you'll never lose a file again. Thanks for watching and happy restoring.